This podcast was made with an AI voice generator. Today, I take you aboard my imaginary boat. Destination: the courtyard of the Parliament of Normandy. If you have a sense of observation and you like naughty details, this podcast is for you. First of all, stand in the Jew Street in front of the courtyard of the Parliament of Normandy. In your back, there is the Thouret Street. In front of you, this magnificent building in the Flamboyant Gothic style. You can admire the pretty series of gargoyles. But speaking of which, do you know what a gargoyle is? A gargoyle, from the Latin garg, throat, and from the Old French goule, mouth, is, in the field of architecture, a projecting part of a gutter intended to channel rainwater to some distance from the walls. This type of sculpted work, generally in stone, is often decorated with an animal or human figure typical of Romanesque and then especially Gothic grotesque art. In front of you, each gargoyle represents a half-dragon half-snake animal, but one of them is naughtier than the others. Here are 3 clues to help you find it. First clue: it is located on the port side of where you are. Second clue: from the left wing of the Parliament of Normandy, locate the 4th pillar. Third and final clue: the naughty gargoyle is the one watching you. Now let's play.